An economic professor once told me the basics of the study of economics is the problem that there's limited amount of resources and every human has unlimited desire to use resources. So this ego, dharma, yoga, true spirituality, with all of its different methods, is gradually meant to bring us to the point where we rise above our ahankar, our false ego. When we rise above our false ego, we have a direct connection with our true self, our soul, which is Nahanyate Hanyamane Sarire, eternal. Mamaivam so jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatan. It's a part of Krishna, part of God. Its true potential is to love, to be compassionate. And when we're in harmony with ourself, with each other, on that spiritual level, then there's no question of pollution. We see the utilization that everything has. Some people say sewage is a problem. It is, if you don't understand its value. Have you been to this little sewage refinery we have here? Every time you flush the toilet, the flowers smell sweeter. The papayas grow bigger. It's true. It's not just an idea, a theory. There's value. If we understand the value and live in harmony with the way nature meant to work, then we see how everything is meant to be utilized. Otherwise, just out of greed and out of arrogance and out of just neglect, we usurp, we pollute, and soon it becomes a monster.